How to move the snaps into my eyes only. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to move the snaps into my eyes only. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you want some of your snaps to keep extra private, then you can use my eyes only feature on Snapchat. For that, launch a Snapchat application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now on the camera section, swipe up to open memories section. Now choose any picture or image or any snap from home, camera roll or storage section, and from there you can easily select any of the images. Then tap on the hide icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Now tap the move button and this snap will be moved to my eyes only. If you wish to delete the original from your camera roll, you can tap the delete button and delete the original one. If not, tap the cancel button and leave as it is. So in this way, you can easily move snaps into my eyes only. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.